ahead. So now we GitHub setup done already come off of the way. The next thing we need to do, we need to set up our NPM. We need to connect our Git repo to NPM. So the NPM to go fit publish them to NPM. So you go here, go docs NPM. But first, what I need to do, if you don't get NPM, for example, if you don't get Node, NPM no go work for you. And for you to check, just do NPM dash version is supposed to bring something come out. So if you get error when you run this command, it means that you don't get Node. So you need to install Node. And so for you to install Node, you just go node.js. You'll go node.js, and if you go to download here, you will select whichever operating system you use. You will just select them for here. So, but I get. Now, we'll go to the NPM here. Then we'll click creating user. So if you don't get account, you could sign up for their sign up page. Just put your details here. They could send you verification email. And when you click that one and you don't already, the account don't set up without I get account, so we know they create new one. So I just copy this and I'll run them locally. So if I come here, my username now Bolaji and my password, I don't put them there, and email hotmail.com. So it don't log me in. Now the next thing, I'll just do npm init. So they say, okay, the package name Afrofact, so we'll go leave on like that. The version are 1.00, yeah, we'll leave on like that. Description, we just say get African fact. Entry point, so if person require this package for their project, now this file, now they go export. So we could just put them for inside src index.js. Of course, we never create them, we'll create them later. The test command here, now which you won't use take write the test, but we know they do test now, it's now later thing. So we just leave them blank. Now git repo, yeah, now our repo be this. And keyword, we just say Africa, countries, random. I put Bolaji, MIT. So they tell me now, you don't create this package.json file for me. We get all the info about, the project. So they tell me, say, if the thing they right, I say, yes, they right. May I just click? All right. So you don't create this one for us. So we just need to add them. Then we'll commit the change. And the commit could be npm init. I just push. All right. If I come on our GitHub here, if I refresh, you see, we don't already get the file. We will commit now, don't they here. So we don't set up our npm. The next thing we will do for the next video, I will go now add the functionality for the library itself. So I hope so Nigeria. Ahe. Later.